Hey everyone, not feeling that great today, so I am taking a sick day, but I wanted to record a video to show you what you'll be doing in class. So here's how this is going to work. You're going to go to our class, make sure you're either in home or modules. Find Unit 2, Industrial Revolution, and scroll down to today's date, which is 10/14. It should say Factory Reform Day 2. What you need to do is download two files. This file here, the factory primary source packet, and the factory reform PSD analysis questions. You need to download both of those files. Um, Once you've downloaded those files, the factory reform PSD analysis questions you need to file and save as a Google Doc. So the one that looks like this, you need to do file, and then yours will say save as Google Doc. Once you do that, you can type in it, you can edit the document. And what you're going to do is look at the first file. It's called factory primary source packet. And this is just a collection of primary source documents about factory work. And your job today is going to be to look at this primary source and answer the questions on the PSD analysis questions page regarding that source. So for example, the factory regulations station is right here, factory regulations. You'll read through these regulations, you'll look at the picture, and then you'll come back here. How long was a typical shift? At least in this factory. So then you read through, you try to figure that out, and then you answer. Please answer in full sentences, proper grammar, and all that. Once you are finished with this whole thing, you're good to go. Don't worry about the doodle, but you're good to go once you finish this. And then you'll be done for the day. Don't worry about sharing it yet. We'll deal with sharing or submitting later. But get to work on this right away, and you will have no homework. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.